YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited about this video. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, but first, before I get into it, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support on this channel. A couple of months ago I reached 1,000 subscribers, which is a huge deal to me, and I really appreciate you guys supporting my outlet for creativity, and I hope that you also like these videos. But oops. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my top-ish favorites. I don't even know how many favorites I have here right now, so could be long, who knows. But I do want to go through and explain why I really like these products for spring. So if you're looking for some products that are good for hair, skin, nails, I guess this is like a beauty spring favorites haul item thing. I'm gonna just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna get into is for your nails. So my sister, for my birthday, Christmas, I can't remember, she gifted me with this gel kit that you can buy at Target. You guys, it is so cheap, plus you're saving a whole lot of money not going to the nail salon because you can literally do it yourself. But anyways, it's called SensatioNAIL. And basically, let me grab the little gel UV thing so you can see what it looks like. So it comes with this, and when you put your nails under it, see, it's like a little light. And it's super easy to just like, I have it in my makeup desk right now, so it just kind of fits wherever. You could even travel with it if you wanted. But Target sells these awesome colors. My favorite one is this. It's called Mauve It or Lose It. It's super cute. They have adorable names for all of their polishes. But literally, you guys, it'll take me like 10 minutes to do my nails tops, and it's just so awesome because you guys, literally, I have the worst patience with doing my nails, and so this is a lifesaver. So yeah, I love the gel nails and stuff that that brand has to offer. The next thing I'm gonna dive into is makeup and skincare. So I recently, over Christmas, just totally dived in, I don't know the correct term for it, dove into Glossier products. And I was really hesitant at first to just totally spend a lot of money on them because, first of all, I heard a lot of mixed reviews about coverage, but then also just like the value and if it was really worth it. And so I actually asked for a lot of their products for Christmas and was really surprised with, I guess, just how they worked. And so I'll show you what I bought and tell you what I think it is worth for you to invest in. So I guess this is kind of like a little Glossier review within this video. So the first thing that I got was this skin tint. And this was right before they like expanded their shades. So this is the dark, and you guys, like, I mean, this lighting is really weird. I have a little bit of a tan right now, but like I got this in winter and it matched, so I'm definitely not dark. So I'm glad that they expanded their shades and everything. But my review of this is that I think you're better off getting just like a cheap BB cream or something, because it really, I mean, it doesn't give you a lot of coverage. It's supposed to just even out your skin tone. So like, I guess it did that. But yeah, probably won't buy this again. Okay, next thing I got, I actually really like, is their concealer. And I got it in the shade medium. And this I really like because it is it's kind of like a oil-based concealer, and it doesn't want to focus, but whatever. I'll link everything below if you really want to look at it. But I really liked this because it's really easy and silky on your face, and I thought it looked really good. Especially like if you just don't want to wear a lot of makeup and just put concealer all over your spots and under eyes and stuff. Prime for that. Now these next 3 items I like absolutely love and would recommend to you. The first being this Lash Lick mascara. I was actually shocked about this, like absolutely shocked, because I have gone through so many mascaras and really could not find the perfect one. And one of my friends recommended this, and so I was just like, you know what, I'll try it. So whenever I don't have eyelash extensions, I'll use this and really love it. It stays on, it keeps my eyelashes curled, all the good things. And the next thing, I'm obsessed with this. I will not use anything else besides this, but it's Boy Brow, and I got this in brown, and this is what it looks like. It's just a cute little, you guys, my camera's having so much trouble focusing. I don't know why, but yeah, you just brush it on your little brows, and not only does it like, I mean, tint your brows, but it also keeps them in place, so throughout the day you don't have weird, like feathery, weird furry brows. You know what I mean? So yeah, love this product. I do wish that it came in a little bigger size, because I feel like this is kind of small, but oh well. The last thing I'm obsessed with is their Cloud Paint, and this is their version of their blush. That's the word. Wow, I could not think of that. But I got this in the color Dusk. Again, I'll link everything that I got in the shades that I got below. But obsessed with this. You literally just put a tiny bit on your finger and dab it on your cheeks, and then you got a little flushed look. I love it. I'll use this a lot with Boy Brow and Lash Lick and a little bit of concealer, and you're literally ready to go. Amazing. So again, everything is linked below. Also, I have a code so you can get 10% off your entire order, and so you can try out these products for yourself. Skincare, one of the things that I've always used, I'm actually running really low on right now, but it is this Clinique. Hello. Oh my goodness. This Clinique moisturizing lotion, and I always put this on right before I put on my makeup. And first of all, hydrate your skin. This actually doesn't have SPF, but I have another one that has SPF in it. But yeah, I love this. It's just, I don't know, it's a great product. Okay, and my last thing that I have for skin, which is always like my skin routine, I guess you could say, is I love coconut oil. I use this brand, it's called Organic Coconut Oil. I literally just got it from Amazon or something like that. But you guys, this is the cure for literally everything. Hair, skin, it all. Like, I'll do hair masks with this occasionally, and literally put this all over my body. Especially you guys, when you're spending a lot of time in the sun, make sure you love your skin and moisturize it. But yeah, that's just, I don't know, helpful tip. Coconut oil has so many uses for inside your body, like eating it, and then also for your skin and hair. So you guys, this is just a good thing to have in general. Okay, next I'm gonna move on to hair, because this is probably the #1 thing that I get most questions on. Another thing that's crazy is, you guys, I don't know what happened, but my hair chop video has gotten so much attention recently, and it's, I mean, I think it's so funny because that's probably the one video that I've literally spent the less time on editing and production and all that kind of stuff. And so I think it's so funny that, I mean, I guess you guys liked it a lot, but thank you guys for supporting that video. But I get a lot of questions about hair, and I want to do a styling video for short hair. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair done by my favorite hairstylist, Lynn in Forest, Virginia. So I didn't want to do that video yet until I get it recolored and re-trimmed and stuff. But I do want to show you guys my favorite hair products right now. Okay, so I know you guys have heard me talk about this on my Instagram. If you're not following me, I'll link my Instagram below. That's how I communicate with you guys, but then also that's where I spend most of my time, honestly, because we all know that this YouTube channel is very inconsistent. So my favorite products, or my favorite brand right now, I'm literally obsessing over, it's Verb. And I actually ran into this company while shopping at Urban Outfitters. They had just like launched all their products, and I was really curious what they're all about. But I mean, one of the best takeaways from the brand is the fact that they are like a natural brand and are for just the well-being and health of your hair and long-term effects. So they have these secret formulas that literally have revolutionized my hair, styling my hair, all of those things. Okay, the first one, I mean, I actually did like a little Instagram video showing you guys the shampoos that I use, but I kind of will switch off. They have volumizing shampoos. They have, I just ordered some texture shampoos, which I'm really excited to try. And like sea salt stuff and all that kind of stuff, which I'm excited about. But right now I've been obsessed with like their volumizing shampoos. But my favorite products by them would definitely be this volumizing spray. You guys, I'll use this right after I get out of the shower. I'll just, I mean, and you can use it even like when your hair's dry and everything. But first of all, I can't find the cap. Here it is. First of all, they smell really good. And I'll use this. It's called Full Body and Weightless Lift Volumizing Spray. And you just put it on your roots, and it is just a really natural, nice lift to your hair. And then the second one that I like, and this is another one of their secret products that I have no idea how they made this, but it's called Ghost Oil. It looks like this, and basically what I'll do this after the shower, but you can also do it like right after you style your hair. But you'll just take like a couple pumps. I said pumps really weird. Okay. And just, oh my goodness, it literally smells so good, you guys. But it'll put shine back into your hair and give it that healthy, weightless look. But seriously, you guys, this has helped my blonde hair so much. But yeah, this, you guys, is one of my favorite products by them. I'm constantly rebuying it and everything. And I love Verb's dry shampoo. It looks like this. They have two different versions of this. One of them is for dark hair and the other one's for light hair. And I kid you not, you guys, these products smell so good. But I'll put this on if like it's been a couple days, like today, and I haven't had a shower and I just need a little reviving. And you guys, literally, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Wow, my hair's so voluminous right now. Seriously, you guys, these products work. They're awesome. It smells amazing. If you're a girl with darker hair and you're always concerned about dry shampoos looking super powdery on you, this is your answer. This is the last product I'll talk about. I think it was like a month ago, I just like randomly showed up on my Instagram with pink hair, and I got so many questions about it. And I'll do this like out of random, but I'm sure you guys have heard about this already, but it's called the Kristen S Temporary Rose Gold Tint, and it's so much fun, y'all. Like, first of all, it's really good for your hair. Like, it conditions it while it's on your hair. Ooh, I use this in the shower and a lot of water just fell out of the cap when I opened that, so that was fun. But you guys, basically the way that this works is you get in the shower and you wet your hair, and depending on how wet your hair is determining how long or how pigmented the pink will be. So I like a very pastel-y, like light shade pink, and so what I'll do is like completely soak my hair and then spray this everywhere, and you wait 1 to 2 minutes and then you wash it out, and then you have like just a fun color. Okay, I really hope that this video didn't get deleted because my camera just shut off. You guys, what is new? Let's be real. The last things that I want to talk about are, first of all, this fun shirt. It is from, oops, it came untied. This is actually from Target. I can't remember the brand, but I love just like the colors of it. And yeah. Very last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this brand called Mejuri, and it's a jewelry brand, and I have been looking at it for so long, like literally for the past year. It would just come up on my Pinterest all the time, or Instagram, like their ads and everything, and I'd heard about it, but just like, I mean, I was guilty of like always buying the cheapest jewelry and it tarnishing and just like in that rut. And so I was like, you know what? I need to change my jewelry. I need to step it up and get some stuff that's gonna last me a really long time. So I got these earrings first of all. They have a pearl on them and they're gold, and I'm obsessing over earrings right now. I think they're so fun, like just a really cute accessory to an outfit. But this pearl, like you guys, literally all this jewelry that I'm about to show you, I literally will shower in it and sleep in it, and it never tarnishes. And that's like a big deal for me because I'm so used to having to worry about that all the time. Another thing is this ring. They have cute, just like, they have cute, simple, like dainty jewelry, which I love, and I literally never take this off. And then the last thing that I got, and this is for International Women's Day campaign actually, is this gold necklace. And seriously guys, I will say it again, I never take off this jewelry. I'm obsessed with it, and I will forever be buying their stuff because it's just a good price, and they value themselves on the fact that they're fine jewelry at a low rate, because so many times jewelry stores will like upsell everything. And so I'll link everything that I got below along with a discount for you guys. But this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this fun, and I hope that you try out some of these products. I'm serious, like this is not a promoted video by any cost. This is literally just me sitting down telling you guys what I've been loving. But yeah, not sponsored, just stuff that I really love. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm actually getting ready to go to San Diego next week, / maybe we'll be visiting LA. And so hopefully I'll get a video to you guys, maybe vlog, I don't know. You guys can let me know what you would want to see from that trip. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye you guys.